guys, this is Scott Harmer with Sportsland here in Salt Lake City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new 2021 Raptor 423. This is a really unique unit in that the inside has got such a huge layout, it really feels like an apartment. We'll kind of start here, we'll go around the outside, we'll go around the inside, we'll just kind of take a look at it and give you a little explanation of how things work. Coming across the front, the first thing you can kind of see that sets it apart is you've got frameless automotive windows. So you don't have any seams or seals on the outside that can deteriorate over time. It's a lot better window, it's a lot better way than, over the last of the coach, it'll stay good. You've got slam latch on all of your doors, that actually have hinges, catches that are built into the frame of there, not just, a little L bracket that can get broken off during time. This is where you've got access to your hydraulics. This is where you have a 6-point auto level system. So you push one button and hydraulically the whole level, the thing comes out and stays up. We've taken this to where we've actually, lift one side of the whole trailer up to do a flat tire, to the point of if you're gonna change any tires, you can lift the entire trailer off the ground and change all of the tires. It's an amazing system. It's much better than the electric type of jack system anyway. Coming across the front, your front cap on a Raptor is painted. The great thing about that is over time you see a lot of trailers that have a faded front cap or a blistered front cap. Having Keystone's Raptors have the front cap painted, just make sure that it'll keep the nice look for years and years and years to come. A nice LED lights across the front. Also really good lights here that actually point down where you actually want it to go into the hitch, so they aren't just kind of blinding you from the back of the vehicle. You've got two big 7.5 gallon tanks in here for your propane. Then you've got the Onan 5500 watt generator, super quiet in a sound shield. You've got the 5500 watt generator because you have multiple air conditioners in this unit, so that's going to be able to run the whole entire coach. Docking lights up and down here, your switches. Coming across, you've got a nice big wardrobe slide here. We'll kind of take a look at how that looks on the inside. Your battery connections here, and then this is where you work your 6-point hydraulic leveling. So you can turn it on, and then just one touch, you can either do it automatically or you can level off and really do whatever you want with the whole system in here. Coming in here, this particular unit is opted with the solar and the inverter, so this is your big inverter here. Then in your convenience center, you'll notice everything is all in one spot. You have a winterized section, you've got the city fill, the tank flush, you've got your pull valves for your drains within the heated part of the coach, so that no matter what, nothing's ever going to freeze in the tube. You've got a wash and dryer, or hot water shower, battery disconnect, hot and cold drains. So everything is nice conveniently in one nice location. Exhaust for your generator there, nice up and out of the way. Coming across, another nice big cable slide, a really reliable slide system. When you get to this level of coach, you've got a 16-inch, 8-lug, 7,000-pound axle that's got a G-rated tire on it. That's a 14-ply tire. That's pretty much the equivalent of a semi-tire on a rig. I mean, on an RV, that's just an amazing system. You've got two 30-gallon fuel stations here, so you can either fill up your toys with that, or you can fill up your generator. Generator runs off of one and your toys run off of the other. You've got a nice little level here on your fuel station to see how much gas you've got left. 50 amp here again because you've got your multiple air conditioners. A nice ladder that goes up into the roof here. That's nice that it's actually hooked onto the coach, and it slides in up next to the coach, so you don't have to leave your ladder. It's also not extending the width of your trailer as well. This is a brand new ramp system. It's neat because the old style, you would have to lay it up and down. It had a million different pins. You'd have to unpin and repin. This actually is on casters and wheels. So you just roll it out, slide it, and roll it out, and it's completely done. It's also a zero gravity door. So when you pop that door, to have it come down instead of it come crashing down or super hard to pick up, with one finger you can go up and down on the whole back door here. The front stairs are actually the same way, and we'll show you that when we get back to there. You've got a nice power awning that goes across the whole back of here, equipped also with a backup camera, so you can kind of see it while you're backing up, or you can check what's behind you. Nice ladders. The steps that go up on this side go up on the right side. If you've had a coach before, you understand that your front porch is your front porch. You've got everything going on here. The stairs used to go off the back. Some of them they still do on the other models, other types, but on the Raptors, they come off the side. It's the stairs are in the right spot. You've got two big, huge awnings that go across the front. So a third awning off the back, two off the front. Pretty much anywhere where you want to be has got a nice sunshade on it. You'll also notice the size of the door going into the garage. It's a full-size door with a window, just like the entry door on the main one. A lot of different companies will have either a smaller door or no window, but again, just more stuff that Raptor does that nobody else does. Outside speakers here. This is one of my favorite things about this coach. Is not only does it have an outside kitchen, but it's also an outside entertainment center. You've got storage, you've got cabinets, you've got drawers. Really anything that you want done out here is done. You've got a really good size fridge, as well as an actual barbecue. A lot of times you'll see stove tops, which are nice to have, but a barbecue is really nice because you can do anything on it. Everybody wants to cook outside if possible. The nice door to this opens and closes, but it also doubles as the awning part that's in between the two awnings, so realistically your entire coach has got covered awnings on it. This is what I was talking about with the ramp. It just comes and it's easy. There's no crashing down or anything like that. No little kids' fingers getting hurt. Just easy up and down because it's on a gas strut, just like the ramp on the back. You've got a nice big handle coming inside, so let's go inside. So right when you get inside, you can really feel how big this feels. And a lot of that is because some coaches have a second half bath or something that's gonna pull into here. This doesn't. This just utilizes the entire space. Still has a nice loft up top to give you some more space and some more sleeping, but just a huge open area here. You've got heated massage on both of your bookends of both of these. All 5 of these sections, these 2 and these 3, all reclined to give you nice big open spots. To recline. You've got USB charging charge stations just about everywhere that you look. Coming across here, you've got an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. That is nice because it is gas or electric, so if you want to go do boondocking, you can still do that and not be relying on a residential refrigerator. Just good loft, like I said up there. You've got a convection microwave. Convections are just awesome. They cook a lot better. You can actually reheat stuff and keep it crispy. But not only that, it's oversized. You've got an oversized oven, stovetop, and with storage underneath as well. Again, just everything, all of your storage, countertops look beautiful lit up. All of your storage is on metal ball bearings for all your drawers. Cabinets are nice and deep. High-rise faucet with a spray valve with a nice big stainless steel sink. Again, really residential feel things. Coming across here, you've got an actual fireplace. This is nice. It's an electric fireplace, so it's not hot to the touch, so kids won't get their fingers burnt or anything. But it also on off. You can change the colors on it. Just kind of a cool thing. And it's an 8,000 BTU fireplace, so it actually puts off really good heat. Again, more storage. You'll notice too, all of your cabinets on a Raptor are all soft close. Takes you a while to get used to that. You want to push them closed, but they close on their own. The nice thing about that is they're good magnets, but if you're ever driving and the cabinets come up, they do close on their own, which is really great. Again, just more storage everywhere that you can find. Going into the garage, you'll notice you've got a central vacuum hookup here, which is great for cleaning up. You've got a 13-foot garage. You've got washer and dryer hookups in the corner, which is really nice. The garage is heated and cooled as well. You've got a third TV here in the garage, some more cabinets up top. 13 feet of garage gives you enough space for all of your toys. Queen size bed up top. You'll notice that these 2 bench seats are swung out like this. If you need the height for like your razors and such, you can do it like this and have the height to go under. If you need the width for like 2 4-wheelers, you can put those flat and raise them up to the top too, so you have a full width. Again, the ability to do whatever you want is kind of what Raptor thinks about when they're doing these things, so it's kind of accessible. You've got some doors that close off to your patio, and then coming out to here, just a nice big additional living area that's still outside but up off the ground. If you're in the sand dunes or whatever, it's a really a nice place to be. You've also got a tool chest here in the floor. Speaking of the floor, take a look at these tie downs. They're actually welded to the steel chassis. I mean, that's a really better way to do it than just having it into the wood framing of the floor. Nice actual plexiglass door. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Coming up the cabinets here, this has also got a tankless hot water heater where you can control that here. You've got controls for your Key Express, which the nice thing about this is anything that you can do here, you can also do on your phone. So you can do your slides, you can do your lights, you can do all your power. So if you're ever outside and you're opening up the slide and you need to figure out, am I have enough space for this tree? Instead of yelling back and forth through the window at somebody else, you can actually do it on your phone and check everything out. You can turn stuff on and off. It's just a really, really great option to have. Also, I love the jackknife door situation going into the bathroom. Porcelain toilets, good cabinets, nice big trifold on your door here, so you've got good access into the shower. Good medicine cabinets. And the Jack and Jill is just nice so you're not walking around in the hallway or people have to walk in through here as well. You've got a king size bed. You'll also notice on the bed ends on your nightstands, you've got wireless charging stations for your phones, good cabinets going all the way across, dedicated air conditioner here for the bedroom, your zone controls on all your bedrooms, so you've got on all your stations the bedroom, the main, and the garage, so you can kind of decide where you want the heat or AC to go. Storage here, and again, just really great cabinets, tons of drawers, metal ball bearings, as well as more storage under here for extra tables and stuff like that you need. So guys, this has been a little peek at the new 2021 Raptor 423. I'm Scott with Sportsland. Thanks for letting me show you around.